Hey y'all, welcome to Craftable Things. I'm Patrice, and today we are going to be participating in Heat Transfer Warehouse's Garment Challenge. Okay y'all, so a few months ago I participated in my very first Heat Transfer Warehouse Garment Challenge, and I absolutely loved it. So when they said that they were having another garment challenge, I definitely wanted to sign up for it. And so today that's what we're going to be doing. We are going to unbox a box that they sent to all of the content creators that signed up for this challenge, and I'm gonna have to make something out of whatever is inside of that box. So the theme is your favorite movie or your favorite TV show. And I have several, but I don't really watch that much TV, but I love the theater. And so as soon as I saw what we had to do, I immediately knew that I wanted to pick Hamilton, the musical, to make whatever it is that we're gonna make. So hopefully this box has some things that I can use inside of it. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so here is our box of goodies from Heat Transfer Warehouse that we are going to be opening to see what we will be working with for this garment challenge. So they always send amazing products, and I like to check them out. So this is going to be the star of the challenge, and it's a drawstring bag. If you're interested in getting this from their website, you may want to look under gym bag, but it is a drawstring bag. All right, and it feels really, really good. It's not like the other drawstring bags that are sometimes more of a nylon material, but this feels really good. Definitely feels like fabric, and I am going to check this out because I may want to get more of these bags for sublimation. Let's see, and it is 100% polyester, so y'all already know what that means. I may have to sub onto this too, but this is what we have, and this is the star. Next, let's see what our box of goodies hold for us. Y'all, it's like I've hit the vinyl jackpot, and they have way more vinyl than this. So this is just a red Easy Weed vinyl. Ready? And this is an electric orange, and they do have on here all of the codes for all of the items that I'm going to be using today. Ooh, this is pretty. And this is metal blue. And we also have this one. This is a Caesar Twinkle Red. We have a Wallicut Express Black. We have an Easy Weed Orange. And this is a Wallicut Puff Green. Nice. And we have, this is a lemon, and it definitely gives me lemon vibes. This is a Buttercup Yellow, and it's a Caesar Sparkle vinyl. And we also have Sky Blue. This is a Wallicut Express White. And we have this lime green. All right, y'all, so this is everything that we have to work with, and we have our bag. So I need to decide what it is that we are going to be creating today. So let's get started. All right, so now we're in Cricut Design Space, and I just wanted to show the image that I'll be using. I kind of pieced this image together inside of Adobe Illustrator, and we are going to be using about 4 different HTVs. Yeah, so we're going to be using 4 different HTVs, and I am going to get ready to meet you all over at the heat press once all of the HTVs are done cutting. Okay, y'all, so here's the back, and we are going to sub on the back first because the HTV's requirements, you need less heat, and for sublimation, y'all know we need higher heat. And what I like about these bags, though, is that the cords are fabric. It's not like the others where you have to worry about those cords melting under the heat for sublimation. Okay, so I am just going to go ahead and give this a quick lint roll on the back. We are going to pre-press our bag for a few seconds. All right, that's enough. And I am going to see even this part, y'all. This part is also fabric. And I don't know if you've ever done any of the other totes like this. That's similar to this, usually the backpacks though, and this will go here. If you've ever done any totes similar to this, you know that sometimes this is like a patent leather and it will melt under the heat. So this is the image, and we printed this out on A-sub paper. So we are going to see how this presses, and once this is done, we will get ready to apply the front, which is going to be all HTV. And I am just going to put a little bit of heat tape to avoid any shifting that might occur. And because we're using A-sub paper, we are going to apply some butcher paper on top of that image because we don't want that ink to release onto our heat press. And we're pressing this for at 380 degrees for about 45 seconds. Okay, and we are done. And I'm looking at this. I don't know if it's my butcher paper or A-sub is doing a little bit better, but I didn't see any ink release. Let's make sure, and there is some ink release on there, so okay. Okay, y'all, so here is how the bag subs, and this material is great for sublimation. This looks amazing. I'm very much so impressed with the outcome. I had a pressure issue on that side. I did not adjust the pressure, so that is, the K is a little bit light, but I just wanted to test this out and see if I wanted to buy some of these bags, and I definitely do. All right, y'all, so we are going to get ready to press our HTV, and we are going to start with the black layer. And let me just tell y'all that I think that I've found my new favorite black HTV. This is the Wallacut Express Black. Y'all, this was so easy to weed. And if you look, you can tell, like, I had so many different little details. None of my windows came up off of this HTV. I am loving it. It was super, super easy to weed this. So just want to let y'all know I love finding easy HTVs. And so I want to make sure that I leave enough room for the top because I am going to be pressing that last. And all right, and it does look like we have enough room at the top. So that's exactly what I want to see. All right, and we're going to get ready to press that. All right, let's see. And I did not even check to see if this is a cold or hot peel. But it looks like it is a warm peel. So, oh, looks awesome. All right, y'all. So next we're gonna get ready to press some of our windows, and y'all, I did lose some of the windows, so we are going to just hope for the best. And yep, I lost a few windows, but it's okay. So this I know goes about right here. Some of those windows actually shifted a bit, but we are going to make that work. press. See if this is a cold or hot peel, and it is a hot one. All right, so next we have our metallic HTV, and this was the gold glitter or the yellow glitter. We have our metallic HTV, and her skirt goes about right there, and the Hammy logo goes here. And I've been pressing all of this for 20 seconds at 320 degrees. Okay, so now we are going to get ready to press the puff vinyl, and we are pressing this at 305 degrees for 10 seconds. And this is a warm peel. As y'all see, it comes right off, y'all. I didn't even have to peel it off. Okay, y'all, so we are all done, and here's a close-up of our final product. And y'all, this puff vinyl looks amazing. I love the texture of it. I love how it is raised off of the fabric. I absolutely love it. And the outcome, I'm very much so pleased with the outcome, and I cannot wait to make more items using this vinyl. All right, y'all. So we are all done with making our bag. And as y'all saw, that sublimation looked amazing on the bag. But y'all, the sublimation looks good. But let me tell you something. This HTV did not come to play around with us. Look how that looks. It looks amazing. I absolutely love how that turned out. So I love my bag. And I mean, the challenge is all good, but y'all, this bag, and I'm sure that my daughter is going to take this from me. So I might as well get ready to order me another bag so that I can make my own. But that's going to be it for today, y'all. I do want to thank Heat Transfer Warehouse for even having this challenge. It's always super fun, and I am honored to be a partner with you all. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Head over to Heat Transfer Warehouse and see what else they have on their site. They have some amazing products for sublimation. They have amazing products for HTV, and they have all the equipment. So definitely head over there and check them out. Also, head to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can join me, Craftable Things, there also, and you can find Heat Transfer Warehouse there as well. But that's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so very much for watching. Until next time.